Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, my people. Dude, if you do remember, shout out to Johndam. He sent us an amazing mail call. We have some incredible Mini GTs left right here that we need to crack, dude. I want to see this Silverado, this dually. I want to see it. I want to see it. And we have the Carbon Skyline R33. I have no idea what it's going to look like, and I absolutely want to see it. I was planning to do some hunting, but I have to be careful with my health. The way this flu works is it's fine, everything's fine, and then all of a sudden you just crash and burn, basically. Like it's the worst flu I've ever had in my life, and to get it towards the holidays absolutely just burns my tushy. Okay, so all good. We're gonna make a video from the compound today. There was an RLC Mustang for sale yesterday. Apparently it sold out pretty quick. I'm gonna pull it up here on the old iPad. Yeah, dudes, she is sold out, brothers and sisters of the diecast world. So 2 per customer, that's pretty cool. They did that. There is an R34 coming as well in red. I believe it's a selections one, and they're gonna, you know, I don't even know if there'll be a limit with those selection ones. And I don't know when it'll show up, so we'll have to look at the listing. We'll definitely check that out in another video. But here's the Mustang. It looks cool. It's a GT500, code red, and dude, it's sold out. From what I was told, it sold out pretty quick. All right, I'm gonna leave the Silverado dually for last, and let's get right into this. All right, hold on. Very excited to see this. Thank you so much, Johndam. Oh yeah. Wow, she is carbon. Dude, there's even glass on the windows. Wow, she is nice. Look at that. Lovely, lovely rainbow base as we are used to with our box Kaido house cars. Incredible wheel. I love how they went so deep dish on this bad boy. It's gotta be a rocket bunny, right? All right, let's see. Passion for the GTRS is infinity. SS active. All right, I thought it was like a rocket bunny style. Maybe not. All good. Dude, it looks so nice, bro. Let's check out the engine. Oh yeah. Oh wow, it's got the blue valve cover. Interesting, dude. Sway bar right there. Dude, shout out to Johndam. This is so cool. If you missed the video, here is the EF. He did send us the Civic EF as well. It's beautiful. Kaido Works version 1 Honda Civic EF. So happy to have this here in the PC. Is she a roller? That's always the test, right? Is she a roller? I mean, come on, it's Kaido House, it's Mini GT. The way they do like the wheels and tires, it's not gonna be perfect, but that's pretty good, dude. Like, that's a pretty good roller. That is a pretty good roller. What a beautiful R33 Carbon Edition car. Dude, unbelievable. Thank you, John. Box Cutter 9000 to the rescue. Just cut her open, come on now. Hello? Silverado on the side of the box. Dude, I am so excited to see this flaming beauty. All right, no chase, all good, all good. All right, let's see what we got here. Dude, we saw this at the Diecast Toy Show down at the Thrive Art District. Shout out to the Florida woman for putting on a wonderful expo. All kinds of different cool toys. Here's the address. We'll be back there December 14th. And I think this one is like 3 to 8. It's a much longer show. And of course, yours truly will be playing them tunes, rocking them tunes, you know what I'm saying? I'll be the DJ. That's what I'm trying to say. I'll be the DJ, okay? December 14th at the Thrive Art District. There may be a table or 2 left. You'd have to hit up the Florida Woman on Instagram. I will tag the Instagram that you can reach her at right here. All right, back to the truck. Holy cow, dude. It looks so cool. Dude, I think this is my favorite one. I thought the EF would be it. And then, of course, we saw the beautiful R33. We have the police car also. I'm gonna go with this one as my favorite. You guys leave it in the comments between the truck, the Carbon R33, or the EF. You have to see the video. That thing is incredible. I'm not gonna open it today. I don't have time. We're gonna get ready for a nice early Whatnot show today. In fact, I'll probably even, oh, the bed, even the tailgate. Look at that, the tailgate goes down, heck yeah. Wow, look at the Kaido house here, a little logo on the C-notch. Oh, a little bit of a different base than we normally would see, but it's a real dually. Look at that. Wow, they did a real dually. Little skinnies up front. What's it say on there? 83 Chevy Silverado, under license, made in China. Very cool. And then the Kaido house logo is there as well. Beautiful LS, right? Like an LS swap? Is that what we're seeing there? Yeah. Really nice LS. Can't tell if it's forced induction or not, but still. What a beautiful truck, dude. Dude, these guys do it right, man. They do it right. There's the trailer hitch. Gosh, I wonder if they're gonna make a trailer or something that you could pop on. Oh, dude, she's a roller. Holy moly. Wow. That is incredible, dude. I love it. Thank you so much, Johnny. All right, watch the noties. I'll do another live show tonight for Shout. Today is Wednesday's video, and TFB, he's got to go off and do like some School of Rock class. We signed him up for the School of Rock, so we'll see if he gets into the music. It'll be really cool to see what happens with that. All right, another huge shout out to my boy Nick over at Printed Colorado. Here is his QR code right here. He is selling amazing 3D printed items on Etsy. Hopefully he'll be on Whatnot soon, or at least we'll make a store. And I did figure out how this goes. So as you can see, he put a little peg hole, right? Hey, we're used to them peg holes. Peg holes showing? Not this time, she's full. So that's how it goes. It's a cool little like dinosaur deal. I can't wait to show him. Oh no, it broke. Oh no, I just noticed that. Oh man. All right, well, Florida Woman has like some epoxy or some glue or something. We'll fix that up before I let him mess with it too much. Okay, well, it happens, bro. They literally could lose their horns like in battle or something, so I guess like it's all good. But yeah, no, I didn't even notice that yesterday. We'll have to look back in the video and see if that was there or not, like, hello? But yeah, that's how it goes. Very cool stuff. His Hot Wheels stands and other items. We have keychains that we're gonna give away. So if you didn't see the video, dude, you gotta check it out, man. He sent some amazing stuff again. That was yesterday's video. We now have at TheFLORIDAMan Lamborghini keychains. Hold on, TFW's calling me. I'll be right back. Huge shout out to Printed Colorado. She did like the earrings. I know she'll use the Christmas ones for sure. We'll see about the pink ones. If she does like a fun little 80s retro outfit, I think those will work great. Anyway, this is not a jewelry channel, but I just wanted to really let Nick know. She loved it. She loved it. And he's on the way home now from school. I can't wait to show him the dinosaur head. I know he's gonna be thrilled, bro. All right, we got to count these keychains. I mean, I'm not gonna do it during the video, but there's got to be, I'm gonna guess 20, maybe more. Like that's half the bag. And I already have some of them out. Like, that's crazy, dude. This guy. Shout out to Nick. There it is again. Wait, hello? There you go. PrintedColorado.etsy.com. Hit the man up, bro. The stuff he's making is so cool. I mean, as he was saying, you just put your little regular treasure hunt maybe, or the matching main line there on the bottom of the stand. And then you grab, I'll just grab this for now. And let's see. Okay, there we go. So yeah, as you can see, dude, he makes incredible stuff. Hit him up on Etsy, PrintedColorado.etsy.com. He is on Whatnot as well. He's been making a couple purchases, so that's pretty cool. Here is your free $15, the QR code for Whatnot Collectibles, right there. Free $15 to use in any show or marketplace item. You do have to pay the shipping. make your profile. I'm telling you, we have a blast in these shows, even if you just want to hang out and chat. Like, you don't feel like you have to come buy something. If you see something you like, great. Otherwise, just come chill. Really, like, we just chat, listen to music. I drink coffee, right? Like, I'm about to warm me up some coffee right now. So yeah, get ready. I will post this little video a little early today, and then we'll probably go live at 5. Live at 5 with the Florida Man. All right, thank you guys so much for understanding. We'll be back on the hunt tomorrow. We'll check some stores. I just have to be careful. Like, as soon as I start feeling better and I start, really working hard, that thing just kicks me in the butt again. I really hope it goes away soon. I'm feeling better a little bit every day, but then it comes back, dude. It's the weirdest flu I've ever had. And I was tested for the C word. It's not that. It's not that at all. All right, thank you, Johndam. Thank you, Nick from Parented, Colorado. You guys keep this channel alive. All of you, every single one of you. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate all you guys. Love you.